Scapular fractures are not very common, but I think are worth having their own little mention here, because any fracture through the body of the scapula, the nice flat blade part of the scapula, will heal very well with just conservative management. You may want to put the patient in a spicosplint for the first little bit till there's some comfort, but you can always just treat them with pain medication and, rest. Let's not have these animals move around too much. But the scapula has a lot of muscles around it, and therefore will heal well because of good blood supply. The muscles are going to help to keep it kind of immobilized, keep the fragments a little bit better immobilized, and therefore they will heal well. The times where a scapular fracture may not do well with conservative management is if the fracture is right through the joint, so that in fact would be an articular fracture as opposed to just a long bone scapular fracture, or if the fracture is right at the neck, so very close to the joint. And again, why? That's because the joint alignment itself may not work quite as well. Note that scapular fractures can actually be quite difficult to repair, especially at the neck. That's just a small piece of bone. It's hard to get into, and there's a lot of nerves in the area. So not that they don't do well, but they can be difficult to repair. So even if you have some training in fracture repair, this may not be the one that you want to take on. And because we don't see a lot of them, you never get good at them, right? So send those ones off. Those are not headaches that you really need to keep for yourself.